So here we are today. We're taking down a boulder stone wall that was installed by the builder of this house. Without proper drainage, the wall has settled back and it's a lot of sediment washing through. We're matching the stone up with some westerly granite, bulk stone, larger pieces, smaller pieces that we're going to not only extend this wall, but we're gonna make it so that it lasts a long time and it doesn't have the sediment washing through the face of the wall, because we're going to install proper drainage behind the wall. Stay tuned to see what this project looks like, because I'll tell you, it's going to be really cool. Okay, we're back on that job in Shrewsbury still, obviously, and we've got the wall dismantled, and we are actually starting to build. We've got that soil stabilization fabric in the back. We're going to cradle that all in with large stone, drainage stone, so that this whole system is locked together as one. Water can move through the soil behind it in the subgrade, through the gravel, drainage stone, get out the face of the wall without bringing all that sediment through the face of that wall. So, starting to shape up. We'll have a staircase going up through this, and you'll get a peek at that when we get close. Bye-bye. So we're back on that job in Shrewsbury, and this boulder wall is taking shape. And the stairs that I referenced earlier are starting to come. And they're forming up. And sidewall, return walls forming up. Totally different from what we had before. Westerly granite boulders mixed in with the indigenous stone that was taken off the original wall. All that drainage stone behind there is going to keep this thing from falling apart, and it'll be good for a long time. See you in the next episode. All right. Here we're back on the job in Shrewsbury that had the boulder wall. We're in the next evolution of this project. Staircase, large set stones, planting beds are being established. Base material for the planting beds, base material for the patio is being installed over the soil stabilization fabric, as you've seen in some of our other episodes. Patio's got the proper pitch. Guys are off getting some bedding sand that'll get installed after lunch. And then we'll start installing the seat wall. There'll be a fire pit. And then we'll be overlaying the patio pavers. And you'll see how the rest of this thing evolves in the next episode. Shrewsbury, Mass. Transformation continues. Pavers going in. Curves have been cut for the double banding. I'll give you a picture of what that looks like soon. Edge restraint going in. Banding going around the fire pit. Seat walls installed. Good shot of the double banding happening right over here. Starting to pick up the cuts, getting in, working on the end game here. See it all coming together. It's a little dusty. We'll get you a finished picture next episode. Okay, last video from the Shrewsbury transformation. The rock wall is complete. I should say boulder wall. Rockport steps are installed. Unilock Westport patio is installed with a double banding Series 3000 in Brussels. Planting beds are installed. Fire pit. Brussels seat wall with an accent band. Final grading. This job is ready for hydroseed, which will happen in the next 36 hours. And that is the Shrewsbury transformation. I think I'm liking that New York blend color.